Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unlink a bank account from Rocket Money. If you don't have a Rocket Money account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a gear icon at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the gear icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on the option that says Linked Accounts. Now you will see the list of your linked accounts. Now, scroll and look for the account you wish to unlink. To unlink, click on the three vertical dots beside the bank account you wish to remove. Then click on Unlink. Then, a pop-up message will appear stating what will happen if you unlink the selected account. To continue, click on Yes Unlink. That's how you unlink a bank account from Rocket Money. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.